Hello again, everyone. It's Patrick, Victory Ford, Dyersville, Iowa. 563-875-2409 or victoryford.com. Is it heaven? No, it's Iowa. It's springtime. It's baseball season. But at Victory Ford, that means it's the grand slam of savings. You get $2,000 trade-in assistance cash on any new Ford 2022 model year in stock. Or you can get $1,000 trade-in assistance cash on any 2023. That's in stock. We've got over 150 to choose from. So come on in. We want your trade. We want it on the lot. Also, we've got some great low APR options right now. Rates as low as 0% for 36 on some select F-150s. We've got 0.9 flex buy for 66 months on some vehicles. So you really want to come in, take advantage of one, the trade-in assistance, and two, those low APR rates right now, which in the business conditions right now is an amazing rate. So once again, Patrick, Victory Ford, Dyersville, Iowa, 563-875-2409 or victoryford.com. See you soon. Bye.